How are we all doing? Well, me and Tom have just drove up to Scotland. You can see some nice mountains already. I haven't a clue what the name is. But today heading over over Beinn Ghlas, which is over that way, and then maybe Beinn Ghlas, just depends what time. It's like 20 to 1, so we don't know what we're going to be like for time. But yeah, behind what you can't see is a full temperature inversion, so I'm gathering as we get higher. I'll probably show you a little bit more as we're going in that. But yeah, hope you all enjoy the adventure. Just stopped for a minute here now. I'm going to pick up some water because we think this is the last water source now before we head up onto the top. We've had a look at one of the little shoulders. I'm probably going to pick up just up on the top there and then pitch up for the night. Just put some spikes on now, just picked up some water as well, and then we're going to head up now onto the shoulder. Probably not going to summit Beinn Ghlas, we're just going to check out the shoulder and probably pitch in there for the night because we'll probably end up losing the light. So I'll probably bring you back as we're doing a bit of hiking up because it's a big old slog. Bloody hell, that was tough. Just found a little spot behind us, just trying to get out of the wind a bit because it's, I don't know what the wind is, but it's quite strong. And I'd rather sleep tonight, to be truthfully honest, than sleep in the wind. But yeah, we've got a nice little spot behind us. Should get a nice sunset. So I'll get the tent pitched in and I'll bring you back when we've got the tent pitched in. fucking giving it some licks, lad. Just pitched the tent now and you can just see us behind us there, both of us just in. Wind's not too bad here. It was a bit of an effort putting the tent up and that. But yeah, we're in. Just gonna blow up my mat and get my sleeping bag aired out and stuff like that. Wind's quite strong, so I don't know if I'm going to get any drone shots today, but I'll try my best to get some because the views are absolutely epic today. Clouds rolling around and everything. So we'll see, but I'll bring you back in a little bit. Sun's just set, wind's rolling around, strong as anything, blowing us around, but we love it. Look at these views, tents in there, man, you can't ask for much more, can you? But yeah, I don't know, probably gonna get some food on soon, have a scran, listen to some music and just settle down, I think, because I ain't staying out here for too long anyway. That wind chill's freezing, man. Well, it's getting a bit tasty out there. Little update, just been out, checked the guy lines, make sure they're alright. I've just double pegged a few, make sure they're not going to come out of the ground. But yeah, I'll give you a show round the solo while it's just blowing in the wind and taking it like a champ. But probably ain't going to sleep in this, am I now? Yeah, fun and games. We love it. Well, I thought I'd bring you back for this one because it's really funny. Just made myself a really nice chili con carne hackett meal, and I've only gone and forgot my spork. So I've had to improvise. I'm going to use a peg. So I'll let you know how I get on. See if it doesn't taste like mud. Wow, what a stunning morning. Morning everyone. Yeah, it was a bit windy last night. It calmed down a bit in the end. Wasn't too bad, slept well. But yeah, all good. But wow, what a stunning morning. All that snow around, just gives it a feeling like you're in the Alps somewhere. But yeah, I mentioned I'd like got out and double pegged some stuff last night. I'll show you what I mean, what I've done before we pack up and leave. Yeah, one thing that I did do last night was I just split this one guy line because the wind was coming from this side, just to kind of give it a bit more strengthening. And then on these back four here, you'll be able to see now, just double pegged in. One peg into the guy line and then the second peg into the rope of the peg. Just gives it a bit more strength, and knowing that this guy line isn't going to come out. Tent's packed as always, you know the score. But yeah, that was pretty different, taking it down in this wind and that. But yeah, everything's away. I'm going to head back down to the car now. Let's see if I get any video or anything like that. It's too windy to get the drone out, so maybe, we'll see. But if not, see you back down at the car. Right, so that's it. Just got back down towards the car now. Just going to wrap up the video. Really good camp. I'll be back again, probably to camp on the top of Beinn Ghlas or Beinn Ghlas next time. It was just way too windy just to get up there. So, but yeah, I'll be back in time. But yeah, I'm on to the next one now. I'm going to drive over to Glencoe. So this video will probably be split into two parts. But yeah, on to Glencoe and find somewhere to camp around there. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this little adventure, make sure you watch part 2, and make sure you stop by and watch more adventures.